Lecture number 3. Climate requirement. Climate is the most important factor on which choice of the crop for a region depends, and therefore understanding about climate and its requirement for different crop for optimum production on sustainable basis is important for horticulturist. Climate is defined as the whole of average atmospheric phenomena for a certain region calculated for a period of 30 years. Their phenomena are light, heat, water, and area. First, light. Electromagnetic radiation to which the organ of plant react, ranging in wavelength from 4000 to 7700 angstrom unit, and it propagated at a speed of about 540 km per second. It is essential for the process of photosynthetic and therefore for growth and development of plant. There are two aspects of light: its intensity and duration, which are important for plant development. The light intensity can be assessmented for the number of hours of bright sunlight or from the coolness of sky. Generally, horticulture crop need a lot of light and must be grown in sunny climate, but there are some crop which can tolerate said. Example, turmeric and ginger. There are other like young mangosteen, coffee, cocoa, and tea and need shade during part of their development. A third group requires permanent shade like salak, plum, duku, and calambola. The duration of light for the time spacing between dawn and dusk, referred as photoperiodic or day length. This exact constitutes influence of flowering. Based on the response by plant, we classify plant in 9 class, but the major classes the following. However, fruit crop for such categories are not now: long day plant, cabbage, cauliflower, onion, beet, radish, carrot, spinach, potato, dill, and plantago. Short day plant, strawberry, pineapple, chrysanthemum, poinsettia, aster, blossom, salvia, euphorbia, and xerophthalmia. Gentium. Day neutral plant, tomato, most fruit crop, pepper, cucumber, snapdragon, mirabilis, and cartoon varieties of pea. Heat is a non-mechanical energy transfer with refer of a temperature difference between a system and its environmental surrounding. It is measured as temperature by thermometer daily, monthly, and yearly average, as well as mean, low, and high temperatures and their extremement are computed. The yearly average at sea level on equator is 26 to 27 degrees Celsius, and the range is small. It usually accounts to 2 to 3 degrees Celsius between month and 6 to 10 degrees Celsius between day and night. Factors away from equator range increase and altitude also has the effect on lowering the temperature by 5 to 6 degrees Celsius for every 10 meter. The length of the plants depends primarily on temperature. This means a plant which grows normally at a sea level will grow slowing in the mountain. Example, locoten banana has a growth cycle of 30 months at sea level, but takes on more months at 10 meter altitude. Availability of heat units decide the crop for a given place, and the average temperature for of a place give a idea about that unit available, on the basis of which crop can be decided. Temperature fruit crop like apple, pear, peach, plum, and almond become dormant due to short day conditions in the region and need chilling of various length to break dormancy. Frost and chilling are harmful for tropical and subtropical plants. On the other hand, extremely high temperatures found in arid region cause wilting, sun-cold, necrotic spot, and even death of plant. Therefore, under such condition, appropriate choice of plant and provision of protection become important. Based on temperature variation on the surface of the earth, we have the following climate: tropical, equable climate with no distinct winter, tropical climate with distinct winter and summer, temperate, distinct winter, summer, and autumn with temperature below freezing during winter in common. Tropical: mango, banana, papaya, sapota, pineapple, cocoa, cashew, arecanut, breadfruit, jackfruit, and avocado. Subtropical: guava, grape, citrus, date palm, falsa, pomegranate, lychee, and locust. Temperate: apple, pear, peach, plum, quinine, apricot, walnut, almond, strawberry, and cherry. Based on the temperature variation on the surface of the earth, we have the following climates: tropical, equable climate with no distinct winter, tropical climate with distinct winter and summer, temperate, distinct winter, summer, and autumn with temperature below freezing during winter is common. Tropical: mango, banana, papaya, sapota, pineapple, cocoa, cashew, arecanut, breadfruit, jackfruit, and avocado. Subtropical: guava, grape, citrus, date palm, falsa, pomegranate, lychee, and locust. Temperate: apple, pear, peach, plum, quinine, apricot, walnut, almond, strawberry, and cherry. However, this choice is not very rigid, as some tropical crop which can be growth in subtropical and vice versa. There are low chilling temperate crop which can be grown in subtropical like peach, pear, strawberry, etc. Short duration crop like vegetable and flower crop are classified as warm season and cool season crop accommodate in various type of climates depending on temperature variation within a year. Flower and vegetable crop have been depicted in table 1 according to their season of growing. However, there are some plants which can grow under both the situation.